Thank you for joining us for this review. My name is Nash Nicole.
And I'm your girl.
And today we're kind of inspired by these really cute cat ears that Astrid found in the store.
Thanks for the props, I appreciate it.
Yes, because I thought these were obnoxious until I put them on myself. And I see how cute
They're really
are.
cute, yeah.
So our Halloween look for today, guys, is going to be cat looks. And mine is going to be kind of literal again. And are you going like glammy?
It's going to be glam.
It's going to be glammy.
Mine is
realistic.
more of a, well, my cat ears that are in front of me are black and like a sparkling purple. So that's the colors I'm going to be using today. And you said yours is what?
Mine's are like, I think they're tiger. They're tiger ears.
Okay.
So
you'll do more of a...
Yeah, it's going to look
animal-esque. Less
type.
glamour, but more realistic type.
Yeah, I don't... The movie, not the movie Cat, yeah, the movie Cats and the play Cats kind of freaks me out a bit. So I'm not gonna go too realistic because I actually kind of know how to do that stuff. I'm not doing that, but
please don't do that.
I'm gonna. It's gonna look pretty cool. At least I think I did this. So
cool. So the palette I'm gonna be using really quick, just to let you guys know, or the majority of what I'll be using, is the Morphe Such a Gem palette.
Mm-hmm.
You guys know I love this one to death because it has a lot of sparkle, a lot of glitter, just like me, and it looks like that. Mm-hmm. Clearly a lot of purples in there. There's a nice metallic sparkly black, and then I'll probably end up using just little accents to add some texture. So I got the Almay. This is a foil cream shadow. Is it gonna focus?
Jinx.
There you go.
Yes.
And then stop laughing.
I'm not laughing.
Oh, such a butthead. Okay, and then I have this Milani palette as well that has a very pigmented pressed glitter. Yeah. So I thought about using that purple right there, just as an accent once I have all the mattes down. So yeah, just whatever you have, whatever you want to use, but I'm sticking with purple and black.
Sure. So since I'm sticking in the brown family, this is the palette that Ashley actually introduced me to Morphe with, and I was so hyped about this. Now that we look back at it, we're like, we thought this was the holy grail, but it has a purpose, and I still love using it. This is the Morphe, which one is it? 3502, and
I love this palette. I still do because it's all neutrals.
all neutrals. And so this is going to be home base for me today, and then I'll probably also use the NYX Modern Dreamer palette, which, as you can see, the big family of neutrals right there, and they have some deeper tones on the end.
That's good.
And I'll be using a lot of liner.
Shocker.
Yeah.
And then, wow, I didn't see that coming.
A lot of liner. So it's gonna be a crazy like cat eye. And I think I'm gonna use this shocker one too.
Ooh, yeah, I've never had to use that before. So that'd be interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, just to let you guys know, we already have our base on, so like our foundation and concealer on, and then I prep my eyes with the Painterly paint pot from MAC. And I'm now going to use just a normal tape. This we got at the Dollar Tree, so whatever you have lying around. And I'm going to lay this down on my eye. And I'm going to show you because I'm better at showing than I am at describing. So apologize for that. And I'm going to be putting on the Painterly paint pot that she also has on her eye right here to prep my lips as well. Oh, you guys, you could totally just use tape on your face for Halloween if you're in a bind. It just I just saw myself on the monitor and I'm like, ooh, that looks creepy. So
it does. It looks like you have something going on
Take
there.
these?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny that you brought that. Shaq. I cannot. I'm like, Shaq, what are you doing? I'm like, hold up, wait. You got athlete's foot, you got the general insurance.
Dry skin from months.
Dry skin, and you're fitting into a car that you know you don't fit into. What is going on? A couple of those don't really line up. Like the first ones, I've kind of understood those, and then it got a little out of hand. I had to call him out. I was like, Shaq, you know you don't fit into that car. Stop it.
I believe Icy Hot. I'm not sure about all the other ones.
Okay, so you're gonna start? Go ahead.
Yes, I'm gonna start.
I know, we're being messy. Sorry.
So I am going to use this color right here as a transition.
I'm gonna use this color right there. Yeah, let me get a little closer. I'm so bad at this. There we go. I'm gonna use that color right there. And I know I lied when I said I was gonna use black and purple, huh? Ooh, sorry. We're actually gonna start with some brown and then we're gonna work into some black. So yeah. We just got these new brushes from Amazon, so we are trying them out and we'll let you guys know what we think because we're dabbling into other places to get makeup.
Yeah.
It's affordable and it works, you know, I mean, why not?
We got that free taco party?
No.
No, you don't remember that? It was
I laughed way too hard at that.
We got this free taco party because I made this poster thing and we won. And it was about safety in the workplace.
Oh my gosh, that was so long ago. No wonder I don't remember. Like, it's not in my train tracks. Yeah. Sorry.
I'm going to use the lightest shade right here to go on top of my lid.
What you got over here? What you got? What you got? What you got? I will trade you this brown for a smile. Thanks. All right, so this brown right here. Focus. Focus. Anyways, that brown. We're just gonna keep this simple. Or so I say.
Right. I have a feeling it's not going to end up being simple. Just because this one over here loves Halloween. Loves it.
How do you know that? How do you know that? How do you know about? How are you gonna make this accusations? Do you have evidence of these things you say?
I've worked with you for many years.
Okay. What does that prove?
You were a
little stalker.
When she was kissed with this group, she scared the crap out of me.
Did I really?
Yes, you did.
That is hilarious. Are you gonna talk about that? You're really gonna bring it out? All right. Go ahead and tell our YouTube family.
There was a group within our work group. 4 people got together and decided they were gonna be kissed. She was one of them. Yes. Yeah. She completely wore the all white face paint. She made the body armor things out of aluminum foil. It's very intense. Very intense. And I applaud that intensity.
Thank you.
I do.
Appreciate that. You're gonna go all out, man.
Yeah. Go big or go home.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna
hopefully she'll forget what she's talking about.
I'm gonna go down under here to finish out the smoky eye with this brown. Just underneath here. That's it.
Cute. And I'm now gonna go in with the black. So if you know anything about black, it terrifies me. So we're gonna use a little bit denser of a brush. This is the brush that I was using just for comparison. It's the one I'm gonna use for the black. And I'm gonna put that, well, I'll show you because you know I'm not really good at describing. I'll get better at that. I'm gonna work on it, but right now we just gonna look. Sorry. We do that all the time. It's creepy. So I'm just gonna stay over here and just.
So I'm actually gonna start like this contouring thing to get half of the shape of what you guys will see. Since I'm already playing in the browns, so I'm going to use like this this deep brown right here to contour the side of my nose down instead of using like what I actually use for contouring because I want it to look dramatic.
Oh, okay.
And I will use the same angled brush that I did for this side down here and start, you know, making that cat shape.
All right, so the first color I'm going to go into is this really vibrant, bright, cool tone purple. And it's going to be this shade right here. This is the Such a Gem palette once again. And we're going to use that color right there. I'm just going to pop that right in the middle, like kind of where my pupil is. That's kind of where I'm going to put it. Alright, so the black that I was using in Tanaja's palette is actually cool tone, which she let me know. And so this purple actually goes really well with it because it's cool toned as well. So maybe it's not picking it up, but it's going to be kind of like it's going to morph into the black, if that makes sense. So
Yeah. Warm and cool tones make a difference when you're trying to marry colors together. So it's a thing.
Gosh, I really wish these Morphe palettes had a mirror.
I know.
Then I could just be like, bam, bam, bam. Nope,
I
can't
know.
do that. So I'm gonna fold.
So you guys, I've made, this will make more sense when you see the other half of my face. But I've made the,
I just looks, oh, okay.
I know it looks kind of odd right now, but I'm also going to be shaping out with the same brown, the way, because it's this tiger stripe. So I'm going to be doing the underlying brown striping of the tiger on my cheeks.
I know you'll make it come together. I think I was just shocked.
Well, yeah, I mean, this looks like something is just growing on my face right now.
Just put some tape on it, then it look really Halloween-like.
Right.
Oh my gosh, I still remember the day I bought that Morphe palette because I was so obsessed with it online, and I remember thinking like, okay, I'm gonna order it, and I just never did. Like, it was in my cart, you know what I'm saying? I was waiting for them to like email me some coupons or a discount because I read about that in an article. But anyways, it didn't work out.
I read about that too.
It didn't work out. There was no coupons that they sent, so I was like, all right, fine, and I like just kind of completely forgot about it. And what ended up happening is I was really blessed and I had the opportunity to go to Las Vegas for the first time, and they have a Morphe store in Las Vegas. And I think it's inside the Caesar palette, but Caesar palette, wow. Inside the Caesar palettes. It was very beautiful, and I remember just lighting up when I saw this palette in the whole store.
That's the one
I literally, it felt like a light came from up above, and it was like, oh,
this is it.
you must purchase this, even though you're broke. Anybody ever feel that way? I see comments like that all the time. Like whenever an influencer is releasing a new palette, the comments crack me up. Like, I don't know if anyone out there in the Real family reads comments like I do when I watch videos.
I do.
But y'all be in it.
Y'all do.
People be like, man, I thought I was gonna pay rent this month on time. I guess not.
I guess not. I gotta get it.
Or like somebody wrote on there like, man, I had to pay tuition. I guess not. I'm like, oh, please pay your tuition. No. But I definitely feel like that sometimes.
Oh yeah.
Especially here recently, where it was like ABH took out 3 palettes. Now you have the Shane controversy palette with Jeffree Star. Tati just dropped her new beauty line. I would say Nikita Dragon, but let's just not talk about that. And then you have James Charles with his mini palette. I don't know. I guess you could consider that. It's just a lot. It's just a lot. It's a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the pressed glitter, which is the wifey. Like you guys know, you can't take it on a dry brush because it won't pick up any product. So I'm going to spray it with some water. Like that. And then I'm just gonna put that right there, just in that little part right there.
Actually going to keep using the coal liner to keep making the tiger stripes that are over here.
Okay. And clearly mine has that pop that I wanted. And once I add lashes, it'll look a lot better. But I think I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off just to see what that looks like. Alright, and I'm going to leave my eyes alone for a second before I go a little too crazy on it, because I didn't say I was going to do it simple, right? So I'm a huge glitter fan. If you know anything about me, I love glitter. So if you feel like that glitter was too much, you can always just opt out and just leave the mattes as they were. And I'm now going into the nose.
So we're half cats, and so we're going to snap into being full cats in a second.
That'd be fun.
Yeah, you'll just see the full talk you through the little things that we add in a second, and yeah.
So we're definitely gonna add whiskers, and then I'll come back with this. We'll see how this turns out.
Yeah, we'll see.
All right, so you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Check this out.
So clearly mine wasn't that simple. I mean, I'm just throwing that out there because everybody's thinking it, so I'm just gonna say it. Yeah, it was not simple, but I will say this: if you just let go of the glitter, still not simple, but simpler than what I did. See, we got really frustrated off camera.
Oh yeah.
But we ended up liking the way we look now.
Yeah.
So,
it was a journey to get to this point. It was a journey, and I can see in camera it. Yeah, I think it's one of those things where it's like, oh, the pictures are gonna be fire. Getting to this point though took some time. My biggest frustration was, you know, my little mouth thing. I still don't know what this is called. There's a name for it. I'll Google it later. But I couldn't get this out the way I wanted to. I was like, I've painted beautiful cat things before.
She did. She made a whole case of it.
Like, I know how to do this. Why is it working on my face? But I'm fine with it now. It looks pretty dope, actually.
Yeah, and I feel like if you practice this, maybe like one more time, you get it. Like, it's fun.
Yes, I'll get exactly what I'm looking for. But yeah, for me, it was just using a lot of browns to make shadows. And I just made shadows, a lot of different shadows.
I like it. I like the fact that you and I did two completely different things.
Oh yeah.
Sure, some of y'all out there want to do more of this, and some of y'all are like, heck no, we're just gonna do this, and that's where we're gonna stay. So we appreciate you guys for tuning in. We hope you like our cute little cat ears. We got these at Walmart, by the way.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for cat ears,
I think mine were like $2.
Yeah, I think mine was like $3. So
yeah,
you know, they have a lot of them there. So you can always trade in the different eyeshadow shades for like my look. You have red cat ears or blue, you know, just do your own thing. But for the most part, this was really affordable, just like this series is, and we hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up like always. If you have not joined the Rumor Mill family, we do ask that you subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button, hitting that notification bell, and that way you will be aware of all the future videos that we'll be releasing soon.
Yes, also go to our social medias, particularly Instagram. That's at RumorMeal, RUMORMEAL. That was super cute. Super cute. And we have our lookbook coming up, and there's just a lot of cool stuff in the works, guys. We're super excited, so just keep in contact with us.
Yeah, and we will see you guys on the next one.
Bye.